You. Wow. 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 I'm really back, guys. Like, I am really back. Right? So I'm back in Israel. Wow. Wow. It's been a while. And I want to say massive, massive thank you all so much for the numerous love, the numerous feedbacks, the numerous comments. You guys are so lovely. Guys, you guys, like, I don't even know what to say. But the love that I received on my first time reaction was immensely good. Maximum love, maximum respect, y'all. And you guys know Bob Marley so much. Oh, yes. Yes. Since I saw you guys are familiar with Bob Marley, have any one of you all watches the Bob Marley movie, One Love, you should literally, like literally, watch that movie. You would be so much inspired by it. You guys will understand what Bob Marley life was like back then before he died in this movie. Right? I want to say again, thank you so much for the love. Okay, so I think I will react to a short live performance from Eden Golden from the Hurricane song. I haven't seen her live, so this is what I'm going to react to. A short form live, right? Eurovision 2024. So guys, without further ado, thanks for accepting me in your country. I'm really and truly grateful to be by your side right now. It's tons of respect. Tons of respect. So let's dive in. Peace. Holding on in this mysterious ride. Dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Her voice is so magnificent, bro. Her voice is so magnificent. It sounds more phenomenal when it's not in the official video mode. Fuck. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Hey, hey, hey. Oh, wow, wow. Hey, guys, I'm sorry, but this is freaking beautiful, bro. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. Ah! Yo, 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 yo. My god, I don't even. Ah, fuck, I don't even know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say now. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Yo, yo, yo. This is too short. This is way too short. Miss Eden, please, please, like, please give us an official live. Please, a live performance. Please, I'm begging you because your voice, your voice, your voice. Oh my god. Oh my, oh my. Our voice. Damn. Wow. 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 This is one of the most beautiful voices I've heard since my entire lifetime of reacting to music. Wow. Damn. Damn. Astoundingly beautiful. Wow. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Oh, I love her action. I love her voice. Damn. Wow. She's phenomenal. She's a superstar. She's a superstar, bro. I mean, like, I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I just can't get enough, bro. I can't. I just can't. Wow. This is too short. I'm going back again. No. I'm going back. I'm going back again.
Holding on in this mysterious ride. Dancing in the storm, I got nothing to hide.
Oh, give me a break. Oh, yo. I wish I have something to just something live out of the nozzle. Yo, this is amazing.
Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again.
Alright, yo. This is a phenomenon. Oh my god, guys. Whoa! 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 Fucking amazing, dog. She's a superstar right here, bro. Wow.
I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Woo!
Oh! Whoa! Guys, please, please, let's tell her that we need an official full performance live. Miss Eden, Miss Golden, Miss Eden Golden. Your voice is so fucking cool, man. So fucking cool. So amazing, so captivating, so phenomenal. Guys, look. I know it's short, but thank you so much for watching. I mean, like, I want more. I want freaking more. This is just too short for anyone. Too short. Too freaking short. I'll be staying tuned to see what's up next. Subscribe for more. I'm happy to have you guys on my platform. Thank you so much for the love, the numerous support. You guys are the best. You guys are so kind. You guys are so warm and welcome here. Right? Respect. Mad love. And remember, watch the Bob Marley movie. It's really an inspirational movie. Thank you guys.